Hi, welcome to Zodiac Keys. I'm here to share with you 7 things about pattern loops that I hope will be helpful for you. Alright, number 1 is pretty simple and self-explanatory. You can use the pattern loop as a pattern region. Simply drag it into the open tracks area, and as you can see, the pattern pops up. You can change things like velocity or note repeat. You can also create your own pattern region. You can select different notes, and the numbers next to the note represent where on the keyboard it is. The lower the number, the lower the note will be. When you use pattern region loops, you can also change the instrument. Even if it's a quick sampler, for example here, you can mess with the sound in quick sampler. You can also change the instrument directly to a different instrument. Number 3, the plugins that come with the pattern loops are pretty great. I'll just pull over a pattern here, and you can see in the mixer window all of these different plugins that are already there. And this is a great way to learn about mixing. If you have a chance to go through and really dive in and see what choices were made for each instrument. And also it gives you the opportunity to play with the sound. Something really cool that you can do is if you choose no plugin for the instrument, you can go to this library over here and choose any instrument you like. It'll pop up with all the plugins you need. To change a pattern loop into a MIDI region, all you need to do is go and convert it to a MIDI region as I'm showing on the screen. And if you want to make it an audio loop, you can open a new audio track, make sure your output is correct, and you can drag it into the audio loop and it'll change automatically. Keep in mind that this is still an audio loop waveform, so you can't edit anything unless you bounce it. Number 5, the drum patterns in the pattern loops area are actually really fun, and I find them very easy to work with. Going to the mixer window, you can see that it has all the plugins. And the pattern region and how it's organized is so easy to use and see everything. You can change any of the sounds. can also change the overall sound of the kit so it sounds more like you want, and these are separate from the plugins that are already available in the mixer window. Another fun thing you can do is create your own pattern. From this MIDI, I will change it into a pattern region. This will bring us nicely to step number 7. Number 7, you can save this pattern into your loops library. Go to Export and Add to Loop Library. From here you can change the name. You can also specify how you want it to be organized within the loops library so it's easier to find. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this useful, make sure to share with your producer friends. And share in the comments below if you have any other tips you'd like to add to this list. Thanks so much for watching.